This story begins in the world of metals. Metals concentrate trading moves enormous value on tight timelines. FinkaMetals, a B2B platform where verified companies buy, sell, and trade metals, concentrates through one structured, tamper-proof digital process. 3 core challenges shape the product: fragmented trade information, complex tender logic, and controlled participation. The first goal was to replace disconnected channels with a single, tamper-proof environment where every deal has one source of truth. In partnership with CoreLedger, S-Pro delivered the product foundation across 3 phases: the launch package, detailed discovery, and the full-scale development that began in February 2026. The result is a platform where trust starts before the first bid, through rigorous company verification and KYB built directly into the entry point. The trading experience begins with tenders and lots, giving verified companies a clear view of every open opportunity and their own active listings. Concentrate tenders are never just about price, so the bidding flow keeps treatment charges, payables, and shifting terms visible through every round. Each lot brings the full commercial and technical picture into one place, alongside the records that show what happened and what still needs confirming. Underneath it all sits a verifiable trade layer, powered by CoreLedger's blockchain, so the data behind each deal can be checked and trusted. From blast hole to balance sheet, the whole chain wins: miners, traders, smelters, and refiners, as well as financiers.
S-Pro. Explore together, build together.